Okay, great. So let's start the devices topic. Okay, so in last session we have covered the paging space. Okay, so today we'll focus on devices. So devices, it plays very important role in the IBM AIX because AIX it is the proprietary operating system of the IBM, which gets installed only on the proprietary hardware of the IBM. Okay, so if you want to purchase any new device for the power hardware, compulsory you have to purchase it from the IBM itself. Okay, so in devices, there are three types of devices available nowadays in IT industry. Three types are available. Device. First type is the physical one. Physical device means which we can see, which we can touch, which we can feel. Okay. Then there is a logical device. Logical device means what? When we attach that physical device into the operating system, and the operating system will be able to see the device. Okay, so we can use that device, but we cannot touch that device, right? Because it is part of operating system. Okay, and then virtual device. Virtual device means what? When we do the virtualization of the physical devices, we get multiple logical devices over there on top of the single physical. Okay, so example over here is let's say we have a 300 GB hard disk. Okay, when we connect it to the operating system, we'll be able to see the 300 GB hard disk on a operating system. But when we create partitions on top of it, okay, let's say like 100 GB, 100 GB, and 100 GB. So here three partitions are there. So virtually, we think that we have three different hard drives, but actually we have a single hard drive. Single hard drive goes down, all these 100 GB hard drives will be down, right?
Okay.
Okay. So in these physical, logical, and virtual, again there are two types actually. Okay. First one is the block device, and second one is the character device. Character device. In block device, basically, to work with the block device, file system is required. File system is required. Okay, and for character device, no file system required. Example of this one is hard disk. So without file system, we cannot store the data on top of the hard disk, right? And character device means tape device. We can say on a tape we don't have to create the file system to store the data. Okay. So here random access we get. So access is kind of faster, random access, and here we get the serial access. So it's slow access. Okay, serial access to the data. Then third one is it is faster, and character device it is slow. Okay, so you don't get performance from the character device. And fourth one, cost wise it is costly, and character device it is cost effective, very cheap, available in the market, cost effective. Here let's see the physical device, and that physical device logical name in AIX. Logical name in AIX. So how to identify devices in AIX operating system? Okay. So if you have a physical hard disk, okay, in AIX, logical name for the hard disk is H disk. Okay. So H disk, N means number. Okay. So example over here in AIX, how it is visible? Hard disk 0 or H disk 1, H disk 2, like that. We can identify the disk drive. Okay. Then Ethernet, Ethernet. So for Ethernet in AIX, logical name is ENT. Okay, and N means number. So example over here, ENT 0, ENT 1. Okay, this way we can identify that. Okay. Then motherboard. So for motherboard in AIX, there is a logical name, syslan. sys planner. Okay, so there is only one planner board, so we get this is planner 0. Okay, for that. Then memory, for a memory, mem n. Okay, and example over here, mem 0, mem 1,
Memory
like
means
that we
physical
get the
RAM, na? Physical
memory.
RAM.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
physical RAM. Okay, then processor. So processor is also HBA cards we use, and for HBA, logical name in AIX is the FCSN. Okay, example over here is FCS0, FCS1, FCS2. Okay, FCS2 fiber channels cousin. Okay, then for USB universal serial bus, here we get the name USB and example USB 0, USB 1, like that. Okay, what else? Anything missing? Ethernet we are done. Yeah, tape. For a tape, in AIX, logical name is RMT. Okay, RMT. And so example is RMT 0, RMT 1, like that. Yeah,
Okay,
for
sir.
CD DVD, it's CD 0.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah. In devices, we have a topic called as predefined database and customized database. Okay, predefined database and customized database. So predefined database means what? So basically when we do the installation of the AIX operating system, it installs the default set of device drivers. Okay, so it is the set of device drivers supported by AIX operating system. Okay, and customized database means what? It is the set of device drivers installed in AIX operating system. Okay, AIX operating system.
Mhm.
What is the meaning of this one? So even if the device is not available, even if the device is, have a seat, outside.
Mhm.
Okay, so even if the device is not installed, okay, we get the device drivers in the predefined database.
Mhm.
Okay, and when we do the installation of the software, okay, it is available in a customized database. That is the meaning of this. So to check the predefined database, command is ls lsdev hyphen capital P small c and
Okay.
device type. Okay, and in customized database, basically lsdev hyphen capital C small c and the device type.
Okay.
Device type. Okay, so this way we can identify
No, what is
or
the
we can
device
check
type? Device
customized
type means
database
what?
and the predefined database. Okay. Okay, device type means there are types available like that's a disk. Disk is the type. Okay. Then adapter. In the adapter, it
Okay.
shows you the Ethernet adapter
Mm.
and the HBA adapter. Okay. Then tape. Tape is the also one of the device type. Okay. So let's see the Commands related to the devices. Okay, so there are almost 14 commands available. Let's see one by one commands. So first command is the
Yeah.
PRT-conf to get the complete configuration of the power hardware. So PRT configuration, it shows you the PRT conf, it shows you the processor, how many cores are there, how much RAM is there, and how many hard drives are connected, and how many adapters are there. Complete info is available. Practically, I'll show you that one also. LSConf also shows you the same output. Okay, so there is no difference in the output of the LSConf and the PRT-conf. Then to detect new devices in AIX, command is CFG-NGR. If you attach a new device to the AIX, to detect that one, configuration manager, okay, CFG-NGR is the command. Then LSPB, LSPB is required. LSPB shows the hard disk
Yes, sir.
connected to the system. It's a list physical volumes. Okay, are you there? Then LSDEP will list all the devices connected to the AIX operating system. Okay,
Okay.
and we have seen these commands lsdev-p small c and the device type. Okay, and hash lsdev
Okay. But for
hyphen
all
p
these commands,
small c
root login is required, na?
and device type.
Hello?
Okay,
Yeah. Root login. Okay.
then
Okay.
yeah, yeah, root login is required. Okay, and then uh, chdev command to change the characteristics of a command, you can use the chdev. Okay,
Okay.
then hash rmdev if you want to remove the device from the AIX, rmdev command you can use. Okay,
Okay.
then here in rmdev hyphen l, if you give hyphen l you can disable the device. Okay, device name, and rmdev hyphen dl device underscore name. uh, you- Hyphen dl, by using this one you can you can remove that one. Okay, then to see the hardware error, software error, network related error, command is
Okay.
errpd to see the errors in AIX operating system. Errpd is the command. Okay, then if you want to see the description of the error, command is errpt hyphen capital A small j and identifier. Okay, and 13th one is
Okay.
the DIAG. In AIX, DIAG command is also available.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the commands related to the devices. Okay, hash, it's LB LST major. So to list the pre-major number and minor number, so I will cover that one while doing practical. Okay, so have you written these commands? Okay, okay, not a problem, not a problem. So
Okay.
there is a concept called as major number and minor number. So let's cover that concept also, so that we'll be able to um, see the practical. Okay, so major number is basically major number is referred by the ODM. Okay, so ODM refers major number and minor number to work with devices okay, so major number is basically it is a number
Okay.
associated with, it is a number associated with uh, device type, device type. Okay, and a minor number is basically, it is a number associated with device, with number of devices
Mm.
of same type. Okay, so simple example of this one is major number and minor number. So let's say in AIX, three hard drives are there. Okay, and three hard drives are there with name H disk 0, H disk 1,
Mm.
and H disk 2. Okay, and with H disk, let's say there is a major number 22 and minor number is 0. For H disk 1, major number would remain same. Okay,
Okay.
and let's say minor number is 1 over here, and here
Mm.
again 22 2. So you can see that this 22 is the major number. So it is a number associated with the device type. Okay. So our device type is the disk. So for a disk in a AIX, let's say 22 number is there. Okay. And here we have three hard drives. So here 0, 1, 2. So to work with the hard disk 0, ODM will use 22 comma 0 number. Okay. To
Okay.
work with hard disk 1, it will use 22 comma 1.
Okay.
And with hard disk 2, 22 comma 2. That way ODM refers the uh, or uses the device. So ODM, it is
Okay.
Object Data Manager. It is the registry of AIX operating system. Okay, it's Object Data Manager. Got it? Yeah, great. So we'll see all these commands. Okay, so for that, first thing we'll take the putty session of the AIX server. AIX remote is there. Okay, and we'll log into
What
this.
is? Yes, I want to see, but
Log
what is the
into this.
password of root? Means,
So here
suppose I want to
root,
execute this command
and
for myself only.
the password.
So,
Are you able to see the putty session?
okay, okay, Google 11 G capital. Okay, teacher. Let me.
Okay, so recently I have changed that one to the
Okay,
Google
okay,
11. Okay, G capital.
okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so basically we keep on changing after every 2 days or 3 days. If you are unable to access that one, you can WhatsApp me anytime. I'll share the password. Okay. Yeah, great. So first thing, PRT okay, so PRTconf pipe more, I'll fire the command here. So PRTconf is the print configuration. It gives the complete information of the system. So you can see that this is the system model name, that is IBM 9111285,
Mm.
machine serial number, then processor type, implementation version, and then CPU type, kernel type, helper information. So complete info is available. RAM we have with this 2 GB around. Okay, then network information is host name, then IP address, subnet mask, and the gateway. Okay, so IP address of the machine, we have allocated 0.151 to this. Then paging space 256 MB, and here we have two hard drives, hard disk 0 and hard disk 1, and rest of the devices connected to it. Okay, so by
Okay,
using this one, it shows the complete system information. Same output we get with the lsconf. Okay, lsconf, that is list configuration. Okay, same output,
yes,
right?
yes.
No difference, same output. Now, what I'll do, I'll fire the LSPB command. So LSPB, you can see that hard disk 0 and hard disk 1, two hard drives are present over here, right? Okay. So what I'll do, I'll delete the hard disk 1, okay, and we'll try to detect this hard disk by using the CFGMGR command. So CFGMGR is required to detect a new device, correct? So to delete this one, first of all, I have to use this export VG this command. So it summons the value of. So I'll use the instead of okay, I'll vary it off. I don't know vary of VG test VG vary of text VG. Okay, and then I'll fire the export
Okay.
VG test VG. Okay, now my PV is free. Okay, what I'll do rm dev. So here you can see we have covered this command, right? Rm dev also 10th command.
But all the data
So
will also get
rm
lost,
dev
no?
hyphen
Or data
ts
will remain at,
hdisk
yeah?
hdisk 1 enter. So if everything is fine, it will be
Okay.
deleted
No,
successfully.
but the data,
Okay,
this is a physical disk, no? Disk 0 and disk 2 are the
right,
disk 1 are the
right,
physical disk. So we are deleting
correct,
from
correct.
the
When we
OS,
delete that one,
OS point of
data
view.
will also be
But
lost.
still, all the data will get lost if you delete the
Okay, so you can
delete the disk.
correct.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so the basically in hard disk 0 we have our operating
Okay.
system. Okay, and in
So
hard disk 1 uh, we
okay.
configured the another VG, nothing was there. Okay, so in AIX what happens actually when we remove a hard disk from a VG, okay, at that time it deletes the data
Okay.
present in the hard disk. Okay, when we take it
Okay.
off that particular VG, okay, at that time only it deletes the
Mm-hmm.
data. Okay, RMD it removes the
That
entry
is
of the hard disk
CFG
from
na?
the ODM.
Config.
Okay, got that? Yeah. So LSPB, you can see that we have only one disk now. Okay, so what is the command to detect a new device in AIX? CFG. Perfect. CFG. So it is still going on. CFG.
Okay.
Okay, so command is successful. Let's see this one. So you can see that hard disk one is detected again. Okay, so we removed it by using the rmdev command, and we have detected it by using the cfgmgr command. Okay, so there is a command lsdev. I'll use the pipe more. So all these devices are available. So you can
Mm-hmm.
see that CD is 0. So it's nothing but a CD DVD ROM. Okay. Then EN0, EN1,
Mm-hmm.
EN2, ENT0, ENT1, ENT2. So in example, we have seen the ENT0 also. So these are the physical Ethernet ports. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then FCS0. So one fiber channel adapter is also connected to it. So you can see that HBA. Okay. FCS0 fiber channel adapter. Then
Okay.
MEM0, that means memory, right? Then hard disk, you can see that HDisk 1, HDisk 2. Okay, this way we identify the devices. Then about processors, these are the PCI slots actually. Okay, so we have almost 11 PCI slots.
Okay.
Then proc 0, proc 2. So it's a dual core processor. Okay, that's why proc 0 and proc 2 is visible here. So that way we identify the devices in AIX operating system. Okay, then we'll fire this command lsdev hyphen capital P small c and the device type
Yes.
disk. So here you can see that all these type of disk drives are supported in AIX. That is the name. Okay, this type of disk drives are supported in
So
AIX
this comes
application.
from the output that
Got
this
it?
type of tapes are supporting or these tapes are
Then
actually attached to
LSDEP
the server.
hyphen capital P
Hello?
small c, if I fire the tape command here,
Hmm.
so all these type of
Okay.
tapes are also supported in AIX. That is the main. Okay. Right. Right.
Hmm.
Okay. And if we fire this, okay, I'll show you one example. If I type disk over here, okay, it will show me all supported disk drives in AIX, okay. And if I fire the LSDEP
Okay.
hyphen capital C small c, okay, and the disk, so it will show
Okay.
me only um, three disk drives 0, 1, 2, because 0 is the 0 and 1, these are the local hard drive, and hard disk 2 it is coming from the SAN actually, okay.
Okay.
So this is
Okay.
part
Okay.
of the customized database. Okay. In customized database, only three hard drives are available. So definition is it is the database of all installed devices drivers, right? So these devices drivers are installed. That's why output is visible like this. Got it? Great. Then I forgot to cover the command over here. That command is lscfg hyphen vpl and the device name. So here, if you
Mm-hmm.
fire lscfg hyphen vpl and the sdisk, okay, so let's say sdisk one, it will show the sdisk information. Okay, so lscfg list
Mm-hmm.
configuration, and you can see that hard disk one, and this is the motherboard information. P1 means planner board, T10 means target, and it is connected
Okay.
to
This
this
gives you the
location. And the
information of
size of
motherboard.
this one is 73 GB. So you can see that 7344. Okay, and this is the model number and the part number.
Okay.
Okay, complete info is
अच्छा hard
available over
disk
here.
hard disk
Got
gives the
it?
information of hard disk as this one. Okay. Okay.
No,
Got it. Got it.
it gives the
If I enter
information
disk two, it gives the
of
information of disk
that
two.
device. Okay, LSCFG hyphen VPL hard disk one. Hard disk one.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, correct, correct, correct. Okay, then okay, I'll
Okay.
type these commands here because I missed two important commands here. First one is the LSCFG hyphen VPL and the device name. Okay, and here hash LSCFG,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, it's LSATTR hyphen EL
Okay.
and the device name. Okay, so it shows you the attributes. Okay, so I'll fire the command LSATTR hyphen EL as this
Okay.
0, enter. So you can see that these are the hard disk attributes. Okay, hard disk attributes, and here health check interval, I'll just show you one example. Health check interval is 0. Health check interval is equal to 0 second. This is the meaning. Okay, so I'll change this value to 60. How to change that one? So command is chdev, okay, and then
Okay.
hyphen l, device name hdisk 1, hyphen a for attribute,
Okay.
and
Mm.
health check interval equal to 60 second, for example. Okay, so it will change the health check interval to 60 seconds. So by using the chdev, we can change the attribute of a device. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, great. As this one changed. Okay, then yeah, so we are done with these 10 commands. To see the errors in AIX, command is errpt. Okay, and more page wise output, so you can see that identifier, timestamp, then type. Okay, and then whether it is a hardware error or software
Mm-hmm.
error, then resource name and the description, complete info is available. Okay, So for us, identifier is important. I'll just copy that identifier also. Okay. So a lot of errors are there. We keep this machine up and running actually for the remote access. So lots of errors are there.
Another.
Okay. And if you want to get the detailed information of that specific identifier, use that number. It will give you the description. Okay. So the following information event was reported by platform firmware. CEC hardware previously
Mm-hmm.
reported error has been corrected by the system. So something was wrong in the system. Okay. And system itself has recovered from that error. Okay. Not a problem. So go through all these commands. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay. So final command is diag. So diag means diagnostics.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Diag means diagnostics. So if you want to recover
Okay.
the hardware errors of the power hardware, you can use the diag
Okay.
command. You can run the diagnostics routines, advanced diagnostic routines, task selection, and the
Yes, sir.
resource selection. Okay. All the
Okay.
options are available for the self
Okay.
recovery.
Okay.
Just go through that one. Okay.
Okay.
And
Thanks, Ramesh.
really
Thank you very
useful
much.
command also. Okay. Yeah. Great. So we are done for the day. You have a password also, so access the server and do the practical. Okay.